Hello, Mark Lee from Get Fit by 50 here. I'm at Universal Studios and got a special edition of Fatty Flips again. Gonna go on the VelociCoaster in the first row, 4K. Gotta love it. Been on it like 10 times. I'm gonna try to bring the camera on the coaster and get on the front row. Now, if you've been watching my channel, it's not about the roller coaster specifically. It was about me losing 100 pounds in a year. I succeeded to do that. And now, I've gone up a little bit, but if you don't watch this, if you're watching this for the roller coaster, check out the weight loss, because it was a awesome set of videos that I made. Over 52 in 1 year. I lost 100 pounds. And taking a little bit of break, and getting ready to get back on the wagon and lose more than the 100 pounds that I lost, though I have gone up about 15. Don't tell anybody, 15 pounds up right now. So please check out my other videos. This coaster thing is just a fun freebie. I love roller coasters. If you watch the videos, you'll see that my whole goal, one of my main goals, was to lose the weight so I could fit back on roller coasters. I've been there, done that, and I will never ever not fit on a roller coaster again. But I still got more weight to lose. I'm still fat. Let's go ride the VelociCoaster.
What could possibly go wrong?
Okay, sorry. Yep, it's not the front row, but that's because the nice little girl wouldn't let me get in the front row this time. So I did succeed on the second attempt, which you will see, and just enjoy this 8th row version and all the wind noise. We'll get to the front row, I promise. Yeah!
Very small situation or adventure that involves
That was it!
Paddock is clear.
That is a very small situation next door for an adventure that requires efforts.
I'll be right there.
There you go.
Paddock is clear. You're there.
There you go. Oh.
Paddock is clear.
Very small situation next door in
Up here and there.
There you go. Thanks for watching Get Fit by 50. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow us on the social links listed in the description below. And why don't you go ahead and watch another one of our videos.